Welcome to my channel, SteveO the Window Cleaner. Today we are going to talk about the new Accelerator 2.0 handle and what is the difference between that and the old Accelerator handle. So the Accelerator handle, of course, is meant kind of for the Moerman Excelerator with the flick pad. Let me show you that. As I always say, I put that in an Ettore brass channel. Oh, it's a little bit different. It doesn't have the liquidator channel, but let's look at the differences. Okay, so this one does not come that color. It's just very, very old. So you have two more degree changes here. Instead of just having the 40, 25, and 10, now you have the -5 and -20 as well for closing out with stuff that's like straight in front of you, more kind of like the wagtail angle arm, basically. The locking and unlocking was always very easy with the original handle. With this handle, it seems to be pretty easy too, and I think it will just get better over time of using it. So like, there's the -20, there's the -5, there's the 10, there's the 25, there's the 40. One thing that I do like that they've done here is that spring that's inside there, that spring, there's no longer a spring. The only reason I like that is because I found that that spring over time would rust really, really badly. Not that that really impacted the overall squeegee in general. Like this one I've used for a long time now, hasn't really rusted, and I know that one I've had for many, many years. So it looks like for the swivel here, it's got areas where it's kind of stopping it now, where really, I don't know, there's the same thing on that too. I never really realized that. It just seems like now it's a little bit more pronounced than the old one, but the old one still stopped there. I'm excited to try it. I know I always kind of like down Moerman and stuff, but like the Accelerator handle is a great tool. I mean, it's allowed me to really learn fanning on a pole and really do a lot more with window cleaning, especially for storefronts and stuff. So I will put a video here in a little while as far as how to modify this, because most likely I'll take out the teeth, but I can tell that the space here is not as big and is different than the space that they originally had as far as being able to put the channel in there. So when you, this thing's gonna break over time. This thing's gonna break over time. I just know it. I mean, I like the feel of it, but again, it feels cheap. It just feels cheap. You know what though? Like, a lot of window cleaning stuff feels cheap, and I just think, but like, just look at this. Me raising this thing, it's bending. This is gonna break. I just know it. I just know. I can call it now. So that's different, right? I mean, it's way easier now to change your squeegee channel, because before you'd have to put it to the side like this and then open it up, and then you could put the liquidator in there or another one. But let's try this with like, okay, liquidator channel. It just sits in there pretty easy. We'll lock it. Okay, that's pretty simple. Let's try, this is gonna break. This is, oh man. This is my first time playing with it. I just got it, so I just wanted to make a video. This is my plan actually. I got an 18-inch Unger S Plus, and I want to just start using this with it. This feels like this is gonna hold. Yeah, that actually holds perfect. That's actually quite nice. I like in hand, I like to lock them. So to lock it, that top is going to be out. To unlock it, that thing's going to be down. The nice part about the old ones is a little bit hard to close out. I actually don't know why they repositioned that to that, but it looks like it's just a little bit more easy to close out. We'll see. We'll be doing a lot more videos with it to kind of see how it feels over time. But I've always liked the handle, you know. I mean, it's a nice handle. And you do that, it's like a It's almost like an Unger Ninja handle. But it looks like that's going to hold pretty nicely. If I grab there, it's not sliding. I mean, I'll eventually try a brass channel. Most likely with the brass channel, I'll cut the teeth off again, put the same thing I have here with this, but I really want to try to get down this S Plus with this. I think that would be super, super nice. The grip wise feels pretty much the same as this one. This blue on here went a little bit further up. This doesn't. That feels like this blue stuff on here and the blue stuff on the new handle pretty much feels the same. We still have the same locking areas for your Moerman poles. Trying to see if there's really anything else here that's really different about it. I mean, the underside, there's not too much crazy that's different. But, you know, I think the biggest thing about this is the new way to put the channel in, which I'm pretty sure that's going to break. I'm not even being negative about this. That's going to break. And then just your 2-degree changes that you can do for like a -20, which I could see could help. Like if I was doing a window right out in front of me, this definitely could help. So there's just my quick first thoughts of the new Excelerator 2.0, and I just kind of wanted to put this video guys out to kind of show you, man, like just see how hard this is to pop up. It's gonna break, Moerman. It's gonna break. I promise you. You are gonna have issues with this piece breaking. Should have tested it more. That is just my honest opinion. I can just tell by the first touches of this thing. So that's it. I'm not gonna go too much further because you know that Bob the Tradman's gonna be all over this video telling me to shut up. So that is the new handle. And if you guys want to buy it through that link in the description. Buy it through there. Okay guys, we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.